So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a toilet. That's been 2 weeks ago. And we're back. Apparently there was a defect. Can't see it right now. If I could, it'd be beneath all the wax. Anyways, down there in the bowl, there was just a little pocket of missing glaze, and it looked like it was all grayish. And so it was defective. Anyways, Kohler sent us another toilet. Yeah, just the bowl. And then, of course, we got the new inside. Anyways, pulled out new wax rings, tightened it back down, bolt caps on, cocked it back in. Existing tank, put that back on. Existing seat, put that back on. And then retied the connector, the water connector, back in. That was new. We installed that. The only thing that's not new is the plumbing coming out of the wall right there. And the shut-off valve, that's yours. We did tighten on the packing nut. Sometimes they leak, so we snug them up a little before we go. But any trouble with that plumbing, that's your plumbing. We can work on it certainly, but that's not ours. So monitor it. I'd had a question about this. I know new construction, the inspector comes in, he may or may not check all the boxes when it comes to, because now they're building inspectors. They're not plumbing, electrical, framing. They're just building. So sometimes they don't even know. They just come and look at it. It's not broken. It flushes, whatever. It's supposed to be caulked in, so we do, what we like to do is around the back, we leave it open. And the reason being is we're service plumbers, and we know all too many times we'll come out to replace someone's toilet. It's sealed in tight, and it's been leaking for a long time. Then they start noticing a smell. And by the time we pop that caulking line and pull the toilet up, it's, I guess you could call it fecal matter. How's that? Fecal matter. Say it a bunch. And we don't like that. And it goes all over the floor. And you got to get in here with paper towels and Clorox, and it's a mess. And we're not house cleaners, we're plumbers. So, and we don't do drain cleaning, so we don't want anything to do with that. Anyway, so we leave the back open. There's about the last 4, 5, 6 inches are on the back. If you get a leak in here, you will know. It will stay sealed where the caulking's at. In the back, the water will work its way back out of there. And then you'll see water staining the grout line, or it'll get into the baseboard. It's MDF, and so it'll start swelling back there. But anyways, that's why we do that. But it's caulked back in, let it dry 24 hours. You should be good from there. Any other issues, give me a holler. Outside of that, this installation is done.